Check out this GMC 2017 Yukon XL SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: enhanced driver alert package, license plate front mounting package, memory package, preferred equipment group 4SA, premium smooth ride suspension package, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose premium 9-speaker system and CD player. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.